What's up, guys? It's Israel Guinea. Now, what if I told you that there is a platform that you can actually invest in and make about 60% of how much you have actually invested on this platform within 12 months? Now, this platform is actually a legalized platform in Nigeria that's been licensed under the Central Bank of Nigeria, and it was actually produced by Sterling Bank itself. For you guys to know that it's the genuine platform and it's not rigged or it's not something that is fake. A lot of people have actually been using it, but a lot of people are not really aware of how it really works. Now, on this platform, you can either invest in dollars or you can also invest in naira, as the case may be. But for me, I prefer to actually invest in dollars, so I do transfer my money to dollars. So because I have a Sterling account and it works very well for Sterling Bank, so all you need to do is you can connect your Sterling Bank account with the platform and it will automatically be withdrawing your money on the platform, and you can use these investments to make money as a side hustle for yourself. And there are a lot of other benefits of this platform. You could make money in dollars, you can make money in naira, you can convert your money from naira to dollars as easy as possible and enjoy an amazing rate. So I'm going to be taking you through the platform and now you can sign it up. And of course, I'm going to be showing to you how you can actually calculate the profit you make, the money you make, how much you're going to be making, maybe in 1 year, maybe in 2 years, maybe in 3 years, as the case may be. So make sure you stay back and relax. Now, of course, do make sure you subscribe to this channel, click on the like button, because if you like this video, more people will be able to see it and they will also be able to benefit as well. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So welcome back, guys. So like I told you guys, I'm going to be showing you a platform that allows you to gain up to 60% of how much you've actually invested in. Now, I know a lot of people might say this is very ridiculous, but it is basically true. Now, what is the name of the platform? The name of the platform is called Doubble by Sterling Bank. Doubble is a platform that actually allows you to invest anywhere. You have the opportunity of gaining about 60% return on your naira or dollar investment. So whether you want to invest in naira or whether you want to invest in dollars, but like I always tell you on this channel, it's much more better to actually invest in dollars as against investing in naira because of the exchange rate and how ridiculous the naira is actually falling. Now, on this platform, they have 3 modes of investment. They have the bubble reward investment, which allows you to invest either in one contribution, a lump sum, or monthly contribution. Now, this kind of investment is always done maybe like Ajo, or what they always contribute maybe in your area. When you go to a market, they always do a contribution, so it's the same thing like this particular type of contribution. So you might decide to actually be doing this type of contribution on this particular platform. They also have the bubble target. Now, bubble target is if you want to actually reach a target on your own. Maybe you are planning your wedding or you are planning to go for a vacation and you want to actually reach a target, so you can actually use bubble target to reach the target. Now, the final one is bubble fix. Now, for this bubble fix, you actually have the opportunity of getting high returns in short period of time. Like I told you guys, this platform was created by Sterling Bank, and it's something that you should know already, that Sterling Bank is a licensed bank under the Central Bank. Now, how do you actually calculate how much you have made in your investment, whether you want to invest in dollars or whether you want to invest in naira, as the case may be? You can actually select a target and click on the options whether you want to invest monthly, quarterly, biannually, or yearly, and then you select the preferred currency, like I told you, whether naira or dollars, and then it will show you the total amount of returns you'll be able to make on this platform. Then, of course, if you want to also be saving on this platform, so you select the total amount of money. So let's assume 500,000 naira. You will see the total worth that will be allocated to you. If you are doing 500,000 naira monthly, this is the total amount of money you will make after 36 months. Now, of course, if you want to do a lump sum as well, you can actually calculate it. So if you want to be saving 100,000 naira in a lump sum, you will see that in 6 months you'll be able to make this particular type of money. So you see that the platform is actually a legit platform which you should be using to invest. And one reason why I really like this platform is because it was actually created by a legit bank, which is Sterling Bank. And so, of course, you know that Sterling Bank is a trusted bank and it's something that you should try out. Now, finally, I'm going to be showing to you the platform and how you get yourself around the platform, whether you want to invest in the dollar or you want to invest in the naira card. Now, after you must have signed up on the platform, you either have the dollar card if you want to do the new fixed investment, or you want to do the naira investment. Now, for a dollar card, the first thing that you need to know is that you need to get a US dollar account. So it is very important for you to get a US dollar account, whether you are getting a domiciliary account from Sterling Bank or from any other bank that you have, whether UBA or any other bank in the country. If you don't have a domiciliary account, You can open any of these apps and platforms that gives opportunity to get a dollar account, and you'll be able to actually send the money from that account to this particular platform just as easy as that and straightforward. Now after then, you can either decide whether you want to do 60 days investment, or whether you want to get principal amount only, or you want to do principal and interest. Then you can state whether you want to start investing today or you invest in the future. Now what this basically means is that since you have connected your bank account, they will automatically be withdrawing the specific amount you want to send to the platform every single month. So that's how it goes. So you can either go for invest today or invest in the future. And you see that my account details, I'll just put my information on it, and then I'll state the purpose of my investment. The money will be withdrawn from my account after I fill up the necessary information, and the money will start yielding interest for you. Now the same thing goes for the Naira card as well. For the Naira card, all you need to do is click on Naira card, and then you can click on the same information you click on Naira card to be able to complete the information, and money will be withdrawn from your account. Now also on this platform, they also have what is called the new target investment, and they also have the new rewards investment, which I've actually explained. One is for people who just want to meet a target, and they can actually be sending money on the platform, and they want to use the money after a while, do something, or they have a fixed investment, so that at the end of a certain period of time, there will be a percentage of money that will be sent to them, including the amount they used in investing on it, as well as the new reward investment as well. So any of the ones that you're comfortable with and you're willing to go by, all you need to do is just go to the platform and sign in, connect your bank details and your bank information on it, whether you want to invest in dollars or whether you actually want to invest in Naira, as the case may be, and you are willing to go and begin to invest and begin to make money on this platform. Now finally, if you want to check the number of active investments you have, or some further information about your investment you have had on the platform, so all you need to do is go to your active investment and click on it. So after you have clicked on it, you'll be able to see your active investments and how much you have. Of course, you can also see your future investment as well on the platform, and then you can check your information, your account, and of course, if you want to refer your friend, you can also refer your friend on the platform as well. I'll put the link of this platform in the description below so that you guys should check it out, and you can also introduce somebody to check it out as well, in order for them to start investing and making money on this platform. Like I told you, on this platform you get about 60% of how much you have invested on it, and it makes a lot of sense because it was created by a bank, and so they must have followed all the procedure stipulated by CBN and also by Security and Exchange Commission in Nigeria. So that's everything you need to know about the Bubble Sterling platform that allows you to invest. Let me know what you think about this platform. On a sincere note, type on the comment below already use this platform so that you can encourage others to also use it as well. Make sure you type on the comment below, and don't forget to like this video as well. Continue to subscribe to the channel so that I'll be able to make more videos for you and better quality videos for you guys. Until I see you next time, keep watching Ogini Official and stay blessed, guys.